Let's quickly talk about how to open a LendingClub business account. Is it really worth it? And we have heard a lot of buzz around this product, a lot of communication. But the question is it really worth it based on what they're offering for real? So here's an overview I really want you to pay attention to. So when you think about LendingClub business account, you have to think about the ability to have unlimited ATM fee reimbursements and the ability to earn interest. So they're tailored. So the account is called tailored checking accounts. So this is the business checking accounts at LendingClub. It's called tailored checking accounts. So you have a constellation of benefits that, in the end, in our view, is kind of similar to those offered with LendingClub's consumer banking products. So for small business owners, however, this online business checking account stands out because it offers account holders unlimited transactions, debit card rewards, as well as convenient digital banking tools, including bill pay. You have integrated invoicing, and you have accounting reports. So overall, this is kind of interesting, okay? And as of July 2021, LendingClub Tailored Checking Accounts has been rebranded from its former name, Radius Tailored Checking, as part of LendingClub's acquisition of Radius Bank. So this is I'm giving you the background history here, so you have a clear idea what we're talking about. By the way, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here to have a quick convo with you about how to open a LendingClub Bank business account. So when we talk about LendingClub, I want you to remember you have a full set of online banking services. So you can pay bills, you can transfer funds, you can send wires, you can create and send professional digital invoices. You have mobile check deposits. You can create and send professional digital invoices. You can accept card payments, ACH payments, and wire transfers. So the point I'm trying to make here is that you have LendingClub is offering you all the set of traditional banking services you would expect from a traditional bank, from a regular brick and mortar bank or credit union for your business services. Okay. Now, the thing that is even better with LendingClub is that you have the chance to earn interest on your business checking accounts, not your business savings account, but you earn interest on your business checking accounts. This is kind of cool, but you need to maintain a $500 account balance to waive the $10 monthly fee. You have to maintain $500. I'll talk to you about the pros and cons of this service here. So when we talk about LendingClub Bank business account, what are the pros and cons? The pros first. You have unlimited transactions. You can earn 1.5% on balances up to $100,000 and 0.10% on all balances after that. You have a fee-free ATM access with the ability to deposit cash. And you have unlimited reimbursement for ATM fees charged by other banks. This is kind of cool. And you can earn unlimited 1% cash back on debit card purchases. So overall, we love that a lot. And by the way, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about how to open a LendingClub Bank business account. So what about the cons here? So I just gave you a quick idea about the pros. What about the cons? Well, you do have the $10 monthly fee. You have a minimum $500 balance required to earn debit card rewards and waive the monthly fee. And there is $100 minimum opening deposit requirements. Okay, now the $100 is not really a big detriment in our view, but you just had to put it there because it is asking you to make a cash outflow to start the whole relationship you want to establish with the LendingClub. Okay, and LendingClub Bank, by the way, because they started off as LendingClub, now they have rebranded as LendingClub Bank. So when you think about this product, you have to think about the fact that you can earn 1.50% on balances up to $100,000. I mean, for us, this is pretty good. I mean, this is really good. You have an unlimited number of transactions, even though there is no bonus. So overall, you got to ask yourself, are you comfortable doing your business banking online? Because you got to be comfortable with that, because doing your business banking online actually requires some kind of technological acumen, and you got to have that flexibility. If you're comfortable doing everything via mobile, then you will love this business bank account. Or if you love doing things digitally. But if you are one of those entrepreneurs like me, for example, or some of our team members who love to go to a branch, sit down and speak to a rep, you may not like a LendingClub Bank business account. No. If you love a human touch, if you love a human interaction in your banking transactions, then you're not going to find joy by opening a LendingClub Bank business account. So let me give you the approach so you have a clear idea how Lending Club Business Checking works. So Lending Club Tailored Checking is really an online-based account designed specifically for small business owners. Although Lending Club is an online bank, the company has 4 proprietary ATMs in Boston, as well as 2 locations there, in addition to the former Radius Bank corporate office. And Lending Club also has a small business administration lending office in Chicago. So that's it for the physical presence they have in the country. So unlike some online business checking accounts, they have banking services actually provided by other financial institutions. The tailored checking account is provided by Lending Club directly. That's why we said a Lending Club bank business account. Okay, so to open a tailored checking account, you will complete an online application on the Lending Club website and provide information about you, your business, and any other business owners. So before submitting your application, you will also need to link an existing bank account or debit card in order to fund your new accounts pending approval. And to be eligible, this is an important element here. To be eligible, you will need to be at least 18 years of age, a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, and have a valid U.S. address. And so once you have submitted your application, the review process generally takes from 2 to 5 business days. So it's really fast. I mean, we've tried it several times. It took about 48 hours maximum. So after you receive approval from Lending Club, you'll be able to log into online banking, as well as download the mobile app to set up and manage your checking accounts. So this is kind of cool. And you'll also receive your Lending Club business debit card within 7 to 10 days. And you can contact customer service to request additional cards for your employees if you need it. So the thing you want to do here is, as soon as you are approved for a Lending Club business bank account, what you want to do is you want to first go online. You want to log in. You want to set up your account. You want to go into your dashboard and familiarize yourself with all the capabilities, all the modules that you have on your account. Things like reporting, things like bank reconciliation, things like employee management, things like cost management. The cool thing is that Lending Club has a sweet set of features that are really great if you're trying to boost your banking experience with the institution. Let me talk to you about the value added. So when you think about Lending Club, where do they add value? Where does the bank add value? So you have unlimited transactions. You are able to earn interest. You have fee-free ATM access. You have debit card rewards program, and you have digital banking tools. Remember that originally that Lending Club is an online bank. So when it comes to digital banking, they really know what they're doing, right? So when we talk about, I want to dig a little deeper here. I want to go granular on those features so you have a clear idea. So unlimited transactions. So with the Lending Club business checking accounts, you'll receive unlimited fee-free transactions, including deposits, ACH payments, ATM transactions, and account transfers. This also includes the ability to deposit cash fee-free at participating MoneyPass and NICE ATMs, a feature not offered by all online-based business checking accounts. You have the ability to earn interest, so you can earn up to 150%. What am I talking about? You can earn 1.5% on balances up to $100,000 and 0.10% on all balances after that with your Lending Club business account. And if you don't have the funds or don't want to be limited by the Federal Reserve 6 per month transaction limit for a separate business savings account, Lending Club's tailored checking still offers you the chance to earn interest on your business funds. And in terms of fee-free ATM access, Lending Club doesn't charge any ATM fees, regardless of the ATMs you use. Although Lending Club offers in-network ATM access through the MoneyPass and some networks, it doesn't charge fees for out-of-network ATM use. In fact, the tailored checking accounts includes unlimited rebates for ATM fees that you incur from other banks worldwide. Although international currency exchanges, like the fees that are associated with those exchanges may not be covered. And when you think about it, this is a fee. This is actually a perk not offered by all online-based business checking accounts. And we also love the fact that we have a debit card rewards programs So you have the ability to earn 1% cash back on all, let's say, on all transactions. This is really cool. I want to give you some cautionary tale here. I mean, not everything is fantastic. I mean, nobody's perfect, and there are certain things you need to be aware of when you're thinking about a LendingClub bank business account. But by the way, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about how to open a LendingClub bank business account. So LendingClub may not be actually great for you if you are worried about certain things. Let's talk about that. So you have account minimum. An account minimum is required to access perks. Although technically the LendingClub business checking account doesn't have a minimum balance requirements. In other words, you will not face a penalty fee for your balance dropping below a certain threshold. You do need to be able to maintain a balance of $500 to access some of the benefits this account has to offer. $500. So this is important to really keep in mind, because if you cannot regularly maintain a $500 balance, you will not be able to access the debit card rewards program or waive the $10 monthly maintenance fee. And you do have some additional fees that you need to account for. On top of the monthly maintenance fee, LendingClub charges certain service fees associated with the use of your tailored checking accounts. You will pay a $25 fee for stop payments, and outgoing wire transfers range from $18 domestic to $40 international. So those are things you need to think about. So although these types of service fees are standard among business checking accounts from bank and brick and mortar banks, many online-based competitors offer free business checking accounts with a few, if any, incidental fees. So it's one of those things you got to ask yourself whether or not, before opening a bank account at the LendingClub bank, a business bank account for that matter, you want to really sit down and think about your needs. What are your business banking needs? What kind of a transactional volume are we talking about in terms of cash inflows and cash outflows? In other words, what is the volume of cash transactions you intend on processing every single month? And how much can you maintain in the checking accounts? Can you maintain the $500 if you can? So those are elements I want you to really think about beforehand. Okay, so that you are clear about the pros and cons. You're clear about the benefits that a LendingClub business bank account can potentially bring to you. Talk to you about the account opening process. So what do you need to open a business bank account at LendingClub? So those are really important elements to pay attention to. So the thing is that you can actually do this through your computer or through your mobile device, not a problem. So you can apply from anywhere at any time. It takes about 7 minutes, even though LendingClub is telling you to actually carve out 10 minutes out of your day to open your account online. And so you need $100 or more to open your account. So you can fund the account via debit card, a prepaid card, or transfer from your existing bank account. Okay, so this is an important element. So everything happens online with LendingClub. It makes sense, right? I mean, this is an online bank. So think about your personal identification. So businesses with multiple owners, let's say if you want to open a bank account at LendingClub and you just want to get the account open real fast, think about date of birth. Like, you have to provide proof of date of birth, your social, and the LendingClub will want to see proof of your business address, your home mailing address also. And you need to have 2 forms of ID. And again, everything I'm telling you, you have to scan all those elements. You have to scan all those documents and upload them in the LendingClub business bank account opening, I would say, module. So because there is actually a module, there's a website where you have to upload everything, and that information is stored there. Don't worry about security. Everything is fine. LendingClub is it's really secure. So your information is secure, and you have to upload it. And LendingClub will ask for your EIN also. So if you happen to have an EIN, you can actually you have to input it there. And LendingClub also wants us to have from you, that's the correspondence that you have from the IRS. Let's say you have like your EIN approval letter or your SS4 sort of a letter, like any correspondence you have with the IRS regarding your EIN, just scan it and attach it to it. And Lending Club also want to know more about your business in terms of the sector you're in, what you do, like, because they do have some restrictions. There are some industries that Lending Club doesn't cover. I mean, it doesn't matter how much money you want to, how much money you have to open the account. They're not going to take that account, the money at all. Lending Club, if you want to open a Lending Club bank business account, they also ask to have the organizing documents. So this is one of those things where you have to pay attention, because Lending Club, in the last few months, we have heard from our own business clients that they have been really adamant and making sure that you are having the proper documentation, the proper organizing documents. So depending on your industry, depending on your legal structure, your business's legal structure, make sure that you have the appropriate documents. What is that? So let's say if you are a corporation, you're going to need, and a corporation here means S corporation and C corporation. So you're going to need like corporate bylaws. You're going to have business licenses and permits. You're going to have to need articles of incorporation. And so this is one of those things you will need. And if you're an LLC, same procedure in terms of business licenses and permits. You will have for the LLC, you need to have the LLC operating agreement, and it has to be the same document you file with the state authorities, though. I mean, because Lending Club wants to make sure there is consistency, and you also have articles of organization. If you're a partnership and you want to open a Lending Club bank business account, you will need to have the partnership agreement. You'll need to have the business name registration. You need to have the business license. You need to have the state certificate of partnership. So those are elements you need to have if you are trying to really navigate the Lending Club account opening process real fast. And so, but if you are a sole proprietorship, you can still open a bank account at Lending Club Bank, and really, you can open a business checking account at Lending Club Bank. And the cool thing is, all you need is to have your business name registration certificate, like it could be a DBA, like doing business as, and you also need to have the proper business licenses and permits. So the bottom line here is that if you are trying to open a business bank account at Lending Club, make sure that you have thought about the number of transactions you are going to do, the volume of transactions, so the cash flow amounts, and have the proper documentation. Because even if everything is done online, Lending Club is really a thorough. They will check every single piece of documents you send to them before approving your business bank account. And there have been cases where they actually denied some applicants the ability to open a bank account. So bottom line here is what? The bottom line here is you have to make sure that Lending Club is the right partner for you before you open anything, and that you are comfortable also with online business banking. You got to be comfortable with online business banking. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was talking to you about how to open a Lending Club bank business account. So I give you the overview, the pros and cons, the approach, the value added, the cautionary tale, and the account opening process. Thank you. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.